Morning. I am Dr.D.Sathya, working as assistant professor in Department of Chemistry, SNS College of Technology. Today we are going to discuss about calomel and ion selective electrodes. The calomel electrode, it's a commonly used reference electrode. It plays an important role in chemical analysis and laboratory research. Its stability and reliability to make one prepared electrode in many laboratories and industries. So a calomel electrode is also known as the silver potassium chloride electrode. It's a common reference electrode used in electrochemical measurement. Its main function is to be provide a stable reference potential for the comparison and calibration of the potential in the solution to be measured. It's a mercury electrode. It's usually consists of here in pictures silver chloride electrode and saturated potassium chloride solution. This is the two type of laboratory of calomel electrodes. The silver chloride electrode is serves to measure the potential, and saturated potassium chloride solution provides the stabilized electrode the response. So this is the calomel electrode introductions. So the principle of operation of calomel electrode is based on the chemical reaction between the silver chloride electrode and saturated potassium chloride solution. Here we used in mercury. In this picture we are using the silver silver chloride electrode in also in dipping with the potassium chloride solution. The silver electrode, it's a half cell is coated with the silver chloride. When this electrode is immersed into saturated potassium chloride solution, a reaction between the chloride ions and silver electrode occurs. It's creating equilibrium of silver and chloride ions. So that during this process, the concentration of silver ions remains constant and resulting a stable potential. So the principal operation of calomel electrode can be described as the equilibrium between the silver electrode and also the saturated potassium chloride solution, by which stabilized potential of electrode is maintained. So these are the construction of calomel electrode. So the reaction is HgCl2 to give the Hg plus Cl2. That means mercury and chloride ions. So we are seeing about the principle of ion selective electrodes. It's mainly the two important point silver electrodes. It's dipping into the potassium chloride solution. Here the mercury silver electrode serves to measure the potential, and saturated potassium chloride solution provide stabilized the electrode response. So comparison of calomel electrode and ion selective electrodes. This is very important for calomel electrode. It's a reference electrode. Calomel electrode is a reference electrode and ion selective electrode is a selective electrode. It will be a stable reference point while the ion electrode, it's designed by selecting the measurement of specific ions. That means in chloride ions present in that solution. The stability, calomel electrodes have high stability under the standard conditions. Some conditions, calomel electrode will be a high stability, while ion selective electrode has a stability depend on the membrane and environmental conditions. So usage, calomel electrode is often used in a conjugation. That means we are used for reference electrode in calomel electrode. Applications of analytical chemistry. So the lot of applications in calomel electrode, ion selective electrode in mainly the pH measurement, environmental monitoring, clinical diagnosis and industrial process, and also the electrochemical analysis. In environmental monitoring, calomel electrode can be used to monitor the pH value of water, in the environment, to monitor and control the environment pollution. So this is an important thing, and maintain the ecological balance of the environment. And also the calomel electrode commonly used to monitor pH changes in chemical production process, also to ensure the stability of production process and product quality, and to measure the concentration of chloride ions and metal ions in solution. It's a common tool for electrochemical analysis. So the props con of electrodes is a calomel electrodes is stable, potentially easy to use, but involve the toxic mercury. But ion selective electrode is a specific ion measurement with a high sensitivity, but may require the calibrations. Future developments in sensor technology, it's very ion selective electrode, it's very improve the stability and some reduce the interference. And also in green chemistry research ongoing to develop nowadays, it's very ongoing, very importance of the green chemistry to eliminate the toxic material from the main elements. It's a promoting safer practice and analytical chemistry. So we concluded that it's a very important electrochemical importance for calomel and ion selective electrodes is a irreplaceable role in scientific research and engineering practice. Its stability, reversibility, and a wide range of applications make it key role in pH measurement and electrochemical analysis. By accurately measuring the pH value of a solution, the calomel electrode helps to scientists and engineers to understand the acid-base nature of the solution and thus carry out the variety of research and experiment in the field of chemistry, biology, and the environment. This is the future outlook of calomel ion electrode. So thank you.